This is Big Brother. Will all housemates gather in the main lounge immediately?
What's happening?
Come on, guys, let's go.
Hey, Didi, out the shower. Hey, he's angry today. Hey, yeah. Didi, boom. Hey, he's angry. Even that tone.
Be with me.
Well, we'll see. Hi, how?
Listen here. It's my mother. That's okay.
Housemates,
Yes, Big Brother.
Big Brother has been watching. While some of you entered this house with the competitive spirit and discipline required of a winner, others have treated the rules of this house as mere suggestions. There is 2 million rand at stake. It is a life-changing sum of money, yet some housemates act as if this is a holiday resort. Let Big Brother remind housemates, there can only be one winner. Big Brother is deeply disappointed by the blatant disregard for the rules. There has been an unacceptable level of singing political songs and casual chatter regarding medication. Housemates have been observed discussing production matters and processes, and even making requests for prohibited items and luxuries. Furthermore, the rule regarding English as the primary language has been ignored in favor of Afrikaans, Setswana, Italian, Zulu, and Xhosa without immediately translating to English. Housemates,
Yes, Big Brother.
the list goes on. Incorrect attire for games and activities, as well as nightwear in the diary room, such as bonnets, gowns, and pajamas. Malicious and defamatory talk regarding fellow housemates has made the atmosphere in Big Brother's house uncomfortable. Finally, the disrespect shown towards microphones and transmitters, and the verbal complaints directed at Big Brother's operations is a stain on this competition. The following housemates are guilty of these infringements. Trixie, Ashay, Bravo B, Michelle, Neliswa, Koki, Dube, Liema, The Dawn, Ramona, Didi, Tandega, Ilano, Nelly, Dewey the Barber, Q, and Boucher B. However, Big Brother acknowledges those who respect the rules. Mshefane and Danae Jones, your behavior has been exemplary. Because you have shown the discipline required of a true housemate, you are exempt from the punishments following this address. For the rest of you, there are consequences. Tandega,
Yes, Big Brother.
your repeated microphone infringements and speaking a foreign language without translating to English, and challenging Big Brother like he's your equal have earned you a dual sentence.
Yes, Big Brother.
You will be dressed as the main character you believe you are until you redeem yourself in Big Brother's watchful eye.
Yes, Big Brother.
Furthermore, you are banned from participating in the next Head of House games. And by extension, you were banned from immunity, provided you survive this Sunday's eviction.
Yes, Big Brother.
As for the House, your collective failure to maintain order will be met with a loss of comfort.
Oh, that's good. Me.
What the fuck are these motherfuckers taking? What are they taking?
Wala lagi. Where we gonna?
We're not going to the rooms. What?
No one tells us.
I don't think the toilets are.
The Head of House and their guests are hereby evicted from the Head of House room. Housemates are evicted from the Sonic, and all housemates must camp in the lounge until further notice. You may only use your pillows and duvet covers. Over the weekend, you will need to sort out a mess that reflects the chaos of your discipline and drive.
Yes, big brother.
Focus on the prize, or the prize will focus on someone else. As you were,